Are you looking for a reliable way to export your Outlook PST files into PDF format? Welcome to WholeClear PST to PDF Converter. It is a powerful tool designed to help you convert Microsoft Outlook emails, along with attachments, into secure and accessible PDF files. Key features of Outlook to PDF Converter. Export emails with attachments effortlessly. Compatible with the latest Windows platforms. Works even with password-protected PST files. Preserves the original mail folder hierarchy. Step-by-step guide to convert PST to PDF. Step 1. Launch WholeClear PST to PDF Converter on your Windows system. Step 2. Select Personal Storage File .pst as your email source and click Next. Step 3. Choose Folder Mode or File Mode. Then add PST files using the Browse button. Step 4. Select PDF file format .pdf as your output option. Step 5. Click Browse to choose a destination location for saving the converted PDF files. Step 6. To include attachments, check the Save Attachments option. Step 7. Finally, click Convert Now to begin the process. With WholeClear PST to PDF Converter, you can secure, share, and access your Outlook data in universally compatible PDF format, quickly and efficiently. For more query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.